Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best White Keycaps 60% is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for any keyboard enthusiast looking to achieve a clean, minimalist aesthetic, offering a compact footprint that maximizes desk space while maintaining full functionality for most users, making it an ideal choice for gamers, programmers, and content creators alike who value both form and function in their setup. Number 5. HyperX Pudding Keycaps, Full 104 Key Set. Experience your keyboard's RGB lighting like never before. These keycaps feature a dual-layer design that allows more light to shine through, creating a truly stunning visual effect. Crafted from durable double-shot PBT material with thick walls, these keycaps are built to withstand wear and friction. Enjoy long-lasting quality and resilience. Our signature bold font is designed to maximize light exposure, significantly improving the visibility and legibility of each key. Typing in any lighting condition is effortless. Included is a specially designed keycap removal tool that fits perfectly. Swapping out your keycaps is a breeze, ensuring a precise and easy installation process. This full key set is compatible with most mechanical gaming keyboards, including HyperX models. They are designed to perfectly complement keyboards with exposed LED switch designs. What we like. These keycaps feature a stunning translucent dual-layer design that truly makes RGB lighting pop. They are constructed from durable, wear-resistant PBT material for long-lasting use. If you want to elevate your keyboard's aesthetic and showcase your RGB setup, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The pudding design, with a translucent top layer and opaque sides, creates a visually striking and vibrant keyboard appearance. The translucent top layer allows RGB lighting to shine through brilliantly, creating a mesmerizing and customizable light show that enhances your gaming or typing experience. The use of double-shot PBT keycaps ensures exceptional durability and resistance to wear and tear. These keycaps are built to withstand intense typing and gaming sessions, maintaining their crisp legends. Number 4. DGG 60% Wired Gaming Keyboard. Experience the perfect size for your home and office. This compact keyboard frees up your desktop space, making it ideal for gamers and typists alike. Its white design also makes it a thoughtful gift choice. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this keyboard reduces fatigue during long usage sessions. Enjoy an attractive mechanical feel thanks to its advanced imitation mechanical technology. Immerse yourself in a vibrant gaming atmosphere with 5 backlight effects and 8 color options. You can easily customize the lighting with 5 brightness and speed levels to suit your mood. Built with durable ABS material and waterproof components, this keyboard is designed to last. Its skin-like, comfortable keycaps feature wear-resistant printing for a premium feel. This versatile keyboard works seamlessly with Windows and Mac OS, and is also great for gaming consoles with a compatible adapter. Enjoy peace of mind with our free return or exchange policy within the first month. What we like. This keyboard boasts a classic 60% compact design, perfect for maximizing desk space for gaming or typing. It offers cool RGB backlighting with multiple effects and colors to personalize your setup. If you're looking for an ultra-compact, versatile keyboard with a great aesthetic and reliable performance, this is a solid option. What people say. This keyboard is not silent by any means, but is much quieter, similar to the noise level of a standard keyboard. The keys are still satisfying to press despite that. The RGB looks really nice. The default setting cycles through the colors pretty quickly, and you can adjust the speed up or down depending on preference. You can also turn RGB off or change it to monochrome. This keyboard is compact enough to slide right under his laptop stand when he doesn't need it, and it's easier to use a separate mouse than to deal with the mouse pad on the laptop. Number 3. Gliging 135 Keys PBT Japanese Keycaps Cherry Profile White Theme. Experience superior typing with our dye sublimation PBT keycaps. They offer exceptional durability and a comfortable, anti-grease coating for a great feel. With 135 keys, including modifiers, these keycaps ensure full compatibility with a wide range of keyboard layouts, from 60% to 100%. This set includes 135 keycaps and stabilizers, making it suitable for about 90% of mechanical and optical keyboards. They are ideal for creating your custom mechanical keyboard. Enjoy a comfortable typing experience with an ergonomic design similar to the OEM profile. Installation is straightforward, whether your keyboard is backlit or not. Please note that this package contains only the keycaps and stabilizers. The keyboard shown is for demonstration purposes only and is not included. What we like. With a comprehensive 135 keys, these keycaps offer wide compatibility across various keyboard sizes, including 60%. They are made from durable disublimated PBT with an anti-grease coating for a great feel. If you're building a custom keyboard or want a clean, minimalist look with extensive keycap options, these are an excellent selection. What people say. The profile is correct, great texture that honestly feels better than a lot of premium sets, the legends are consistent and all are aligned. The PBT is thicker than most cheap options and the legends are excellent for the price. The PBT 135 keys Japanese keycaps offer a minimalist and elegant white theme that adds a touch of sophistication to your mechanical keyboard. With its cherry profile and DYE sub keycap printing, this keycap set is suitable for various mechanical keyboards, creating a refined and aesthetically pleasing typing experience. Number 2. MOLGRIA Plum Blossom 71 Keycap Set. Crafted from high-quality PBT material, these keycaps feature an ergonomic design and original factory height. They are resistant to grease, ensuring a superior and long-lasting user experience. Adorned with a unique and beautiful plum blossom pattern, these 71 keycaps will bring an artistic touch to your mechanical keyboard. They are designed to stand out and impress. Utilizing a thermal sublimation process, the colors and patterns are exceptionally vibrant and resistant to fading. It's like having a piece of artwork painted directly onto your keyboard. These matte PBT keycaps offer a smooth, grainy texture that feels great under your fingertips. They are fingerprint-proof, preventing sweat and oil from sticking. This set includes 71 keycaps and a convenient keycap puller. Please note compatibility, it fits a 6.25U spacebar but may not be suitable for certain keyboards like HHKB, Corsair, or Logitech. What we like. These keycaps feature a unique and beautiful plum blossom art theme, brought to life with vibrant thermal sublimation. The matte PBT material offers a smooth, grainy texture that is fingerprint-proof and resistant to oils. If you desire a keyboard that doubles as a piece of art and want a unique, tactile typing experience, these are a standout choice. What people say. The white keycaps are a clean and minimalist aesthetic that complements any desk setup. These 60% keycaps offer a compact layout, saving valuable desk space without sacrificing essential keys. The PBT material ensures durability and a satisfying texture, resisting shine and wear over time. Number 1. YMDK Side-Printed PBT OEM Keycaps. Introducing the YMDK Side-Printed PBT Keycaps, designed for a premium typing experience. These keycaps offer exceptional durability and a satisfying feel. Enjoy the classic OEM profile, crafted for comfort and compatibility. Its ergonomic design ensures a familiar and pleasant typing posture. Made from 90% PBT material, these keycaps are built to last. They resist wear and shine, maintaining their look and feel over time. These keycaps are compatible with most standard 61 ANSI MX switches mechanical keyboards. Please check the bottom row modifier keys and spacebar size for fit. Each package includes a keycap puller for easy installation. Please note that this product includes only the keycaps, not the keyboard itself. Kindly note that these keycaps are not compatible with Corsair, Razer, or Logitech keyboards. They also may not fit 64, 68, 75, 84, or 96 key layouts. What we like. These keycaps are made from thick, 90% PBT material with a durable OEM profile and side-printed legends. This design offers a clean, unobstructed top surface for a minimalist aesthetic. If you prefer a clean look, a robust typing feel, and a standard layout for your MX switches, these are a great option. What people say. The keys have remained in good quality, good feel to them as well. The keys have a nice smooth yet grainy texture to them. They also make a more satisfying sound when typing than the ABS caps that came with my keyboard. As these are PBT, the material has not had any discoloration or shine over the few weeks I have been using them, unlike the ABS caps I had that developed shine that was hard to clean away just after a week or two of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.